सुनो दिल से यारो नज़म आखिरी है सलाम आखिरी और kalam आखिरी है. Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ear. These words, this salam, may be my last you hear. Dearly beloved, angelic and human, family and friend, Zamil and Safi, thank you for joining us on this special day. The true meaning of this day comes not from the fruit of our hands, but from you, your thoughts, your prayers, your well wishes. We began the first morning of our classes at this college with the words, "Let there be light." From that week, we started our orientation, a turning towards the east, not just towards Mecca in devotion and towards Medina in action, but towards a rising sun, a luminous sun of knowledge, ushering in a new day, stripping away the blinding darkness of ignorance. Over the course of 4 years, we undertook a process, not just of durus, but of dars and dirasa, altogether a process of exhaustive, repetitive, and cooperative study with the aim of unlearning false presumptions and effacing old bad habits. Finally, our studies here culminated in dissertation, a well-formulated argument fortified by the liberal arts. In colloquium, a respectful conversation drawing from the time-tested dialectic tradition, and a capstone thesis, a lowering of the voice, reflecting the Quranic commandment, O believers, exalt not your voice over the voice of God's prophet. None of these steps would have been possible without the grace of God, who, from his asrar, precisely placed his asbab on this blessed journey. Among them, our faculty, our perennial faculty, whose biographies and bibliographies alike showed us what true scholarship is. Our current classroom faculty, whose embodiment of the knowledge they bear often made them nearly indistinguishable from those perennial faculty whose books we were learning. And from our faculty of experiential learning, our Asyad, JJ, Javier, Jerry, Miguel, Carlos, Jose, Juan, Lou, Irshad, Isa, Margot, Lupe, Khala Leila, Khala Mina, and not to mention all the others who tirelessly put their efforts to make this event and every single event of every day happen here. You show us what it means to truly be in the service of knowledge, to work with ihsan that we will forever aspire to imitate. To all of you, to all of the faculty, we submit 2 final assignments, one of sincere thanks for everything you've done for us, and another of sorrowful forgiveness for all we have fallen short to do for you in action, word, and state of heart. To our supporters who have sustained us with their constant prayers and provided us with bulgha, one of the 6 essentials of every seeker, know that we could not have undertaken this journey without your generous support. And finally, my cohort. Ladies and gentlemen, though you may, through Dr. Ali's forthcoming words, catch a small glimpse of the beautiful souls and powerful minds that comprise my cohort, trust me when I say that these short profiles do not speak enough of their virtue. Thank you, my cohort members, for sharing this holy hill with me. Tomorrow, we shall descend into the Piraeus. Enlightenment is not ours to claim, but you have taught me to reflect light, to discern truth from falsehood, and most of all, remain prayerful, regardless of what comes to pass. May God unite us under his shade as those who love each other, meet and separate only for his sake. As a speech of 5 minutes, a time so short and yet so long, much alike the 4 years that we've spent here, rapidly draws to a close, I offer to our hosts and guests alike the best of that which we have been offered here, prophetic prayer. In God we trust, your fidelity, your surety, and the deeds of your heredity. نستودع الله دينك وأمانتك وخواتيم عملك. وصلى الله وسلم على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله الطيبين الطاهرين والحمد لله رب العالمين والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.